Hello friends, Satish Tiwari here from Ethical Hacking Tuition Center Jaipur, and you guys are watching my YouTube channel /root.in. Today in this tutorial we are going to learn how to set up LVM, RAID and swap during installation. Not only this, you will also learn how to encrypt RAID partition, how to encrypt LVM partition and how to encrypt swap partition during installation. Okay, so let's watch. First of all, open your VirtualBox, go to new, type here Red Hat. Suppose Red Hat, I am going to install Red Hat, so I just type Red Hat, and I am going to install security module, so I will just type Red Hat security. You can give any name. The version of OS I am using is Red Hat 32-bit, so I will select 32-bit. Next, RAM 1 GB is also enough. I am giving 2 GB because I have enough RAM, 16 GB total RAM. Out of 16 GB, I am going to allow 2 GB to this Linux machine. Click on next, create, next. Now space, so I am going to give it 58 GB. I am going to select 58 GB space. I need more space because I have to create so many things. I have to create RAID, I have to create LVM, all these things. Okay, then click on create. Now go to settings, go to system. First remove this floppy drive, make hard disk first bootable device, select the optical at the second one. Okay, in place of PS2 mouse, use USB tablet. Display, okay. Storage, select empty option, then go here and select your ISO file. So I have my RGL5 ISO file here, so I have selected my ISO file. Click on choose, click on network, here select the bridge adapter, click on okay. So settings have been done. Now I'm going to start the installation, so let's watch. So click on the start button and start the installation. Click on start. Okay, let's start the installation. Here just press enter, and if you want to see the full screen mode, you go to view and then click here on the scale mode. Okay, switch, and then from here you can maximize it. So it's loading the driver. Okay, it's asking CD found. Do you want to test the CD? No, there is no need to test the CD. So just using the tab key, go to skip and press enter. Now go to next next. Here you can see the installation number, so click on skip entering installation number, click on OK, click on skip, yes. Then here you have to choose the create custom layout and then click on next. Okay, now I'm going to select new partition. For boot partition, first of all create the boot partition of 100 MB, and I'm not going to encrypt the boot. Never encrypt the boot partition, otherwise your system will not boot. Okay, just click OK. Now I'm going to new again, and here I am going to actually create RAID partition. So click on RAID. So software RAID partition 1, and let me create 8 GB RAM. Give it 8 GB size, 8 GB. Click on RAID, another 8 GB. So these are the RAID partition. I'm going to use this partition inside the RAID. So click on OK. Again go to RAID. Okay, and then RAID 8 GB. Create RAID partition. You can also give more size. Suppose 9 GB. A RAID partition. 9 GB. I have enough space, so still we have 17 GB space left. So I am going again RAID partition. I click on here and I click select here 12 GB space. So 12 GB space again. Okay. Now you can see so many spaces here. So I am going to select this one, this one. Okay. So I am going to select two same size, HDS6 and 7, and using HDS6 and 7, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, or just 6, 7 to configure RAID devices. How you can do that? Just create on RAID and then select this one DevMD0, click on OK. Now I want to use the same size hard disk. If for RAID, I'm going to create RAID 1. Okay, so I'm giving the name MD1 and RAID 1. And for that I have selected red HDA3 and HDA5 partition. Okay, not HDA6. I'm not going to including HDA6. Left HDA6, HDA7 from here, HDA8 from here. Okay, then click on OK. Okay, you have to specify the mount point. So I will select the slash partition, and now this will create the red, but I want to encrypt the red, so you just select this encrypt option, then click on OK. Done. Now again go to the LVM. Okay, but before that you have to go to edit. So select this partition, click on edit. Okay, now here you select LVM. Okay, so I will going to select this as a LVM. I'm going to use this in LVM. Okay, then select this one which has not been used. Edit, select this and then click on LVM. Okay, okay, okay. I have 12 GB space here also. I'm going to include this also as LVM. Select this physical volume LVM. Okay, and now go to LVM, and here you can see give your volume group any name VG00. Suppose VG00 name of the volume group, and these are the devices, these are the physical device included inside that. Now you can create your LVM. So click on add and give your mount point. So suppose I am using home partition inside the mount point and the logical volume name LV1. Okay, and now going to encrypt one. So select encrypt. So this will encrypt the LVM also. So it will create the LVM and encrypt the LVM. Click on OK. Now LVM created, red created, and both are encrypted. LVM as well as red, both are encrypted. Now we have free space, 5 GB free space remaining. So click on new and then select swap memory here and select the space here. Select the space here, 5 GB space, and now encrypt this virtual RAM also. So select encrypt and click on OK. So the virtual RAM also be encrypted. Now you can start the installation. Click on next. Now it will ask you the password 12345678. 12345678. Now this will be common password for red, LVM and swap. Okay, which has been done during the installation. Now click on the next. Next, you select your country location and select next. Then the root password, give anything root password. I have given red hat. Then click on next. Then click on next. And just wait for the installation to complete. So it will take 1 more minutes to complete the installation. It's taking time. because we have configured RAID, LVM, swap memory, and we have encrypted the complete RAID, LVM, and swap. All this. That's why. So installation is about to complete. And here it is. It has been completed. Now it's asked for the reboot. So just reboot your Linux machine and done. It will ask you the login name and password. I will log in and then I will show you by cross checking. So you can see before system boot, it asks you for the password. Looks password means password for your disk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Enter, unlock. Now you can see dev md1. Dev md1 is your RAID device. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, RAID one unlocked. Now again we have LVM. So again it's asking the password for LVM 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Enter. And now it will boot. Done. Then click on forward, 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 forward. Okay, just go back. No, I registered to prefer at later time. Okay, so click on forward. No thanks, I will connect later. Forward, forward, continue, forward, finish. Done. Login name, root, password, RedHat. Then right click, open terminal, check. So you can see we have RAM, virtual RAM 5 GB. You can see for 9966. How you know that virtual RAM is encrypted? Type cat etc pro swaps. Pro swaps. So not etc cat proc swaps. And you can see dev mapper looks. Dev mapper looks. Okay, so it means this has been encrypted. Now check your df-h and you can see here for LVM and RAID all these are both are encrypted because you can see here looks for one for LVM, one for RAID partition. Okay, so this one first one is RAID and the second one is LVM 27 GB. Okay, space that is home partition. So in this way we have encrypted all these things LVM, read and swap, everything encrypted during the installation. Okay. So I hope you understand. Still, if you have any doubt, you can ask me through the comment section. Thank you. Thank you for watching.